What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to an unboxing. In today's video I'll be unboxing my first Brandon Blackwood. If that's something that you're interested in, you'll want to stick around. So this is my first unboxing on the channel and this is my first Brandon Blackwood bag. I am so excited for this bag. If you guys know nothing about Brandon Blackwood, he is a black fashion designer. He makes luxury handbags. I'm super excited about this bag and I just can't wait. The bag was delivered today and I have been itching. I'm like, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this video, but I wanna pull it out because I wanna see what I got. So the bag came in this box. It was delivered by UPS. You do have the option to pay for protection on your shipping. Since I ordered the bag during the holiday season, I didn't want anything to happen to this bag, so I paid for it. You guys, oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I haven't even done, you guys, this is hot off the press. I haven't even done like a reel, which the reel will get the second unboxing. You guys are special, you get the first.
So, it kind of looks like a shoebox almost. I'm opening up and talk about how I got it.
You guys deserve this. This is worth it. So let's take the top off. Look how perfectly, look at this. Oh, it's packaged perfectly. The inside of the box says Brandon Blackwood. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. This is a card, and then this is the bag. And then this is like foam. Okay. Let's open the card. Oh. It's handwritten. Thank you for your purchase, XOBB. So I picked this one up. I am blown away. Look how freaking cute. I don't know if the color is really coming in because of the camera and the lights and everything, but this is red. This is true red. This bag is so stinking cute. Look at the hardware. Look at the B on the clasp here. On this B, on this hardware here, it says Brandon Blackwood. Try to see if it pulls it up on camera. Lift the B up and you open the bag, and then inside is the handle. Inside is the crossbody chain. So it also has the brass hardware. It is a tight opening here, but who cares because this purse is so cute. The bag has these feet as the bronze feet at the bottom. It comes with these silicone pieces on them. But look at that hardware, so stinking cute. Oh, I'm just totally obsessed with this bag. I took the crossbody strap apart and here it is. I don't intend on wearing this purse crossbody. The quality of this bag is hands down was 100% worth it. If you're not familiar with Brandon Blackwood, this is not his first version of this Kendrick trunk. In fact, I have the large version. He does have a mini size version. He has made some updates to this bag, and the updates include this B clasp that he has here. And I wonder if it includes the B's on both sides of the hardware as well. Just to give you some details on the bag that I purchased the Kendrick trunk, red leather with brass hardware. Just to give you an idea on the price of this bag was $285, $13.67 for me to have it shipped to me. Sales tax $17.90, so in total I paid $322.32. Oh, and I told you guys that I got the bag protection, which is $5.75. Looking back on it, I have the protection on my credit card, so I'm not quite sure why I used it. I was just so excited when I got the email saying that the bag was ready to be ordered. I ran to the site and I just added everything that I could. Now, if you know anything about Brandon Blackwood, you know when he drops his pieces, they sell out super duper fast. I've been stalking his website for a very long time, and the bags that I wanted, they were never in stock. So I took it upon myself to add myself to the email list, as I typically do. He emailed and said you can pre-order. I want to say like a week or two before Christmas, he sent out an email saying that if you wanted to pre-order, that the bags would ship out early January, and that's exactly what happened. I took a leap of faith and it actually worked out, because you guys know about pre-orders. They sometimes don't work out in our favor. Anyways, it absolutely did in this case, and I'm so freaking excited. If you know anything about me, even if you don't know, right? My favorite color is black. I am a black purse girl. I like black purses with gold hardware, gunmetal hardware, silver hardware, black suede, black leather. I like black purses. I have a gazillion and one black purses. So what I dedicated to myself in 2023, that I would start purchasing other types of purses that are not just black with gold hardware. I can't wait to wear this. This bag is absolutely a statement piece, and at this point I'm kind of looking for pieces that stand out in my purse collection. I am regular schmegular, and I like things that are pretty much straight to the point. I believe this could go well with any of my outfits. I love this. Overall, I'm so freaking excited to have adding this bag to my collection. I will be 100% purchasing from Brandon Blackwood again. I don't have a lot of things around me to kind of do a what's in my bag, but just to give you an idea of what fits, the bag is equipped with, it does gather on the end, so you can't open it up 100%, so that's about as good as you can open it. I have an iPhone 13 Max and it fits in there perfect. You guys 100% need to go and check out this company, Brandon Blackwood. This purse is totally worth all it's been hyped up to be. I'm so excited to be adding into my purse collection. Comment down below and let me know if you have this Kendrick trunk and what color you have. He has quite a few different purses and a few different styles, and come in a bunch of different textures, which is another thing that I'm totally obsessed with this company about. So you can definitely expect to see more of these in my future purse collection. Comment down below if you like the unboxing videos. There are more to come. All right, you guys, that does it for today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you guys to stick around. Comment down below and let me know some of your Brandon Blackwood favorites, and I'll see you guys in the next video.